No, I'm going live. I was going live. Everything's like tripping out. Is this thing on or what?
AAA Auto Insurance has 100 years of world-class claim service, which is a really long time, so we've gotten really, really good at handling claims really, really, really fast.
Oh,
AAA Auto...
I don't need your AAA bullshit. Isn't that blowing up in here? I got a burned out bulb over here. I need another light. Sure, bring me that plug-in light, Nico. Sorry. Alright. We'll lower the volume on that real quick. Hopefully everybody can hear me this time. You know, like the microphone cranked up. As you can see, right above me here, over my shoulder, some TTS controls here. You can use the TTS command. You type that in the chat, and it will play a super chat right now. And then alright, that's a little bit annoying. Next, boy. So this is a green screen super chat panel that I'm making on lowdev on my websites. So in part 4 here, I think this is like the 4th streaming done. I don't know. Is it? Why is it on? Just it's just green screen over. But alright. So we do have persistence. I think I have to update the file right now on the laptop. But I skipped a little bit ahead, programmed some stuff without you guys because of, and all it is it saves the state so that if you ever have to refresh the page for any reason, that it'll save like the audio file and the fact that it's on and the fact that it's the green screen. We still got to get the green screen save, and the controls, like, they're in the way now. You can disappear them, so it would save the fact that they're disappeared, and you just wanted to you just needed to refresh the page for some reason. I don't know why. Like, and the only reason I say that is because Mr. Based is like always refreshing livebeam or whatever, and why? I don't think you could do that. Maybe you did. So, it does work. You can try it right now if you're on live, if you're watching live. And that leads me into my next thing is where, yeah, we can put the chat on screen on this. So we need like a new switch that puts the chat on live streams, like all the whole chat, you know. Not necessarily read every single chat out, but I mean you could almost do that. I mean we don't have to have the TTS command. It's only isolating those as a practice, like if because we don't like if you're actually using the super chats. It's bypassing the fact that it's actually taking a super chat with that command. So theoretically, when you use that command, it runs the super chat functions versus just. Uh, I could take every chat and repeat it, but it might get a little hectic unless you're like me, like with no subs or anything. Barely no subs at that. So the last thing, here's a modified script. Does that have the load state? Yeah. So dumb. I had to state here. Save it. So as I come back over here after updating that code, we hit the refresh button. And see if this works. When I turn TTS on, hit the refresh button, it turns it right back off. Oh, what the heck, dude? Control Z. Control Z. Sometimes I gotta like really break down and read into the code, and it can get. And I have to code it myself. So it can get a little bit tedious, and then that's why I like to put on some music or something here and there, like chill. What is this, dude? Stop. There's so many ads on everything, dude. Everything. Like, this doesn't need an ad, bro. What? Alright, so
will come tumbling down, all around.
we can just put that in the background for now because we need something. I don't even know how loud that is for you guys, but I'll check on it a little bit.
And the fields of corn will be reborn.
So that last iteration of the program did not work.
The harvest moon will shine through the blue misty haze below. The earth will shed her coat of green and wait for winter snow. Oh, soon autumn and the summer will be gone, but my love for you, forever new, will go on and on and on.
So what we're doing is we had gotten the code to save the save state of all these settings in case you end up needing to refresh the browser for any reason. I suppose if you were running for quite a while, but I have tested it up to 4 hours. So, but if you're running a stream more than that, or you have intermittent connection issues, it might throw you out of the API. They're all just theories and possibilities. Separate this and separate that. La, la, la. Well, what is it gonna do? Here's a refined approach. You guys, sometimes I'll roll some code for you.
To solve this issue, let's double check that each part of the code works as expected without interfering with other elements. We'll ensure that local storage saves the state for toggle's input file names independently. Simplify the code where possible. Here's a refined approach. 1. Separate event listeners. Attach the file save logic only to file inputs. 2. Move file loading logic separately. Only load the saved file names on page load. Here's the updated code. JavaScript document.addEventListener DOM content loaded function. Switch elements const switches equals TTS toggle document.getElement by TTS toggle. Audio toggle document.getElement audio toggle. Image toggle document.getElement by image toggle. AI toggle document.getElement by I toggle. Superchat toggle document.getElement by Superchat toggle. Container toggle document.getElement by container toggle. Input elements const inputs equals min time document.getElement by min time. And donation document.getElement.
Alright, no. It's just gonna read the whole code out. Might as well stop it at that point. So there's that's for each the function, the load state function. Place the load state. Sometimes that way I just want you to. Dude, it's so hard work. Bullshit. Well, that separated everything, like. Hello? What's going on with you? I don't know, I just heard it ring. I finally heard it ring.
Agree to being driven home, that's proper for a laugh. But when touch the car and says we've just run out of gas, keep your feet on the ground, near the tree, with the red leaves. Keep your feet on the ground, near the tree, with the red leaves. Be sweet as pie to each young man and have your little fling. Be gracious when you ring your phone, but still the church bells ring. Keep your feet on the ground, near the tree, with the red leaves. Keep your feet on the ground, near the tree, with the red.
And I'm back. Sorry, I had a phone call. Oh, this isn't working anymore. Holy crap, bro. What a piece of shit. Has a way of doing that bullshit, fucks it all up for you. Here you go. Here's your botched code. Now, this one, this, save it. Come back all the way over to here. Refresh. This, this. All on for fun. And all of a sudden it's just not working anymore. Yeah, what the heck is this? What the f going on here? That's messed up. That's not right. You're not copying everything. That wasn't right. Yeah, that's not right. Shit. Doesn't work. Like it used to work. This thing is fucking garbage. I'm so sick of this ChatGPT. Fucks your shit sometimes. Rage fest out. Okay. Here's all you. Just podcast. Update the code. Code up. Alright, now, sometimes it can bug out. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, it's saving the buttons that turned on. File and refresh the page. Save the file. Good, good. We're back. But then I had to truncate the. You had an image in here. Let's say this image file. Stuff. Okay, refresh it. And it pushes everything. So you need to truncate that. So ChatGPT did that here. Here, so it's function file format file name. Put above load state. And then oh my dude. Dang. Oh. Well, this. That's. Chew. Spookachoo. That's working. Chew. Spookachoo. That's weird. How it's changing those for. I think it possibly is saving it, but for some reason it's turned the image file off. There's only one way to test it, would be to actually send TTS through right now. But nobody wants to do that.
Now I've taken mom's advice. I'm married happily. And Junior's hair is just as red
Chew! Dang.
as the leaves upon that tree. And we built us a house and we live with a kitchen, a house on the ground, on the ground.
Chew! So I can activate green screen here.
With the red,
Oh, look how live's coming out in 2 minutes. Oh, I can't chat. There we go. This works. Sometimes the first one never goes through. I breaked it. Seriously, dude? They're coming through. Holy crap. Okay, get the console here. TTS. Oh yeah, there may have been something wrong with the code at some point here. What? Something wrong with the code.
Low 3 Dev super chatted $0. Test.
Okay, that works. But if you refresh the page now, it's not, it doesn't work. So let's try inputting this script
Low 3 Dev super chatted $0.
after.
Test.
Okay, that works. So English
3 Dev super chatted $0. Test.
we'll refresh now. Everything's on. We'll refresh now. So it's not working now. So what I believe is that this code, whatever we have here, is interfering with something. So So what I believe is that this code, whatever we have here, is human hearing. So what I believe is that whatever we have here is human hearing. And nothing. Alright, resave that code. And then turn on the audio, see if it works. Roll these trolls down to like 1 minute. Resave that code.
Lo3 Dev Super Chatted $0. Test the system.
Alright, well. Seems to work, but I got a lot more to do, so I'm gonna sign off Sunday night. I'm gonna just relax instead of go too hard. I'll probably do some work without you guys, but I wanted to give you some updates on that. I am working on persistence of this, and once we get it all set up, I'll add in payments, and then we can release it to the public at some point. Have a good night, and happy Halloween.
Love and kisses, my darling.